Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. Last night, the photo does not do this meal justice because everything kind of blends together color-wise. Last night, I prepared Louisiana barbecue shrimp with smoked paprika roasted potatoes. They were both very good, and I can't hardly wait to share the recipes with you once I'm done with, all this video. It was really good. I added a little bit here and there, but nothing drastic. But you know me. Yeah. All right. Today, the Culinary Expedition continues. We're headed to the Mediterranean. We're going to Cyprus. We're having breakfast in Cyprus. Breakfast for dinner. We're having, and I am not going to attempt the name that is given to me on the recipe because it's either Greek or Turkish. With my research, have found out that Greek and Turkish are the official languages of Cyprus. But the translation goes to Zucchini Omelet. This is a super simple one. And I have to admit, I'm going to add just a few minor things to this. I know I've said I'm not going to change these recipes that are in the expedition, but I'm going to, this one. And you'll see why. Let's go. All I need for tonight's meal, nonstick pan. Yes, eggs and nonstick pans go well together. We have zucchini. The zucchini I will slice. It calls for about 12 ounces. I might not use full 12. Okay, there's eggs, obviously. Got to have eggs for an omelet. Feta cheese. Got to love the feta. Kosher salt, black pepper, some extra virgin olive oil, and some dill. So that's it. That's all for tonight's zucchini omelet. Now, like I said, I'm probably going to add a few things to this. A little bit of garlic, a little bit of diced shallot, and that's it. This looks just too plain. There's plenty of dill. It calls for plenty of dill. So yeah, that's tonight for Cyprus. So on this Taco Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.